Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making delicious chicken salad. In this recipe we will be using 4.5 pounds of chicken breast, and we will also need 1.5 cup of mayonnaise. This recipe also includes 1.5 cup of sour cream. I will also be using salt to taste, pepper to taste as well, and I will also be using 1 cup of walnuts, but these walnuts are already chopped. In this recipe you will need chopped walnuts. We will need half a garlic head and 1 whole onion and half an onion. I will also be using 4 cups of mixed vegetables. For this recipe, I will use 2 cups of celery. We are going to chop the celery. To serve the chicken salad, I will be serving it with croissants. You can serve this chicken salad recipe with whatever you like. Like you can serve it with croissants like me, or tortillas as well, maybe even chips or crackers. I have even seen some people serve it with toast. You can serve it with whatever you like and whatever comforts you. And lastly, we will be using 16 cups of water. Okay, now we're going to cut the chicken breast in half. Alright, here I have 16 cups of boiling water, and now we're going to add in the chicken breasts that we just cut in half. Okay, now we're going to add in half an onion, half a garlic head, celery, and some salt. And we're going to let the chicken cook for 1 hour. Okay, now we're going to go boil these ingredients. Here I have some boiling water, and we're going to add in the ingredients and let them boil for about 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to take like this foam off of the chicken that's cooking. Okay, the vegetables are ready now and we're going to drain them. Okay, now that they're drained, we're going to let them cool for a little bit. Alright, the chicken is cooked and now we're going to take it out and let it cool a little bit, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay everyone, we have taken the chicken out and now we're going to let it cool for a little bit and then we're going to cut it. Alright, now we're going to start cutting the chicken. Alright, this is how the chicken should look when it's ready, and now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, now we're going to start cutting the celery and the onion. Alright, now I have the onion and the celery chopped, and this is how they should look. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, we're going to add the mayonnaise and the sour cream to the chicken. We're going to mix it very well so they evenly get spread. And now we're going to add in the onion. Now we will add in the vegetables. We're going to add salt and pepper to it. And now we're going to add in the celery and mix it well. Okay, now we're going to add in the chopped walnuts. Okay everyone, this chicken salad is ready, and make sure at this point that you check if it has enough salt, and so you can add more if it needs more. And now we're going to serve it. You can serve it with whatever you like. Alright everyone, I served mine with a croissant and some grapes on the side and some pickled jalapenos on the side. You can also eat this in any occasion, like for a picnic that you're gonna go on, or a hike, maybe even a busy day, or for your lunch, or maybe a family movie night. It's really a fantastic and super easy recipe that you can make anytime, and it's even healthy. And another great thing about this recipe is if you have a very big family and not everybody likes the same thing, you can just put the chicken salad and some different toppings and different things that you can serve it with, and everybody can just make something that suits them and that they'll enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys will also try it because it's a really good recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an upcoming video, and I'll see you guys next time.